What's going on? I'm Joelah Noble for The Soul Supplier, and today we're taking a look at our top 5 regional exclusives available on StockX right now. Now, these babies were not available to buy in the UK, but StockX is defo the best place to get regional exclusives, so let's go. Now, first up, we got the clot Nike Air Force 1 Rose Gold Silk, looking all silky. Now, they were released on the 11th of January 2020, and they're a collaboration with Hong Kong-based streetwear brand Clot. Now, it's quite a luxurious take on the 80s classic with traditional Chinese print etched on the upper. Now, these take the term wear and tear to a whole nother level because the more you wear them, the more the upper fabric degrades, revealing a nice leather base that's sure to turn heads. Finished off with a gum-lined midsole, giving you that comfort, cushion, and durability, and prices start at £530. Next up, we got the Nike Air Max 1 NYC Chinatown. Now, these were released on the 1st of February 2020. They were a New York exclusive and they're celebrating the Chinese New Year. You can't ignore the bright color-blocked tones, which were inspired by Chinatown in New York City. Now, one of my favorite details of the shoe is the winged horse on the heel, which is a prominent symbol in Chinese mythology. There's more Chinese characters on the tongue and a medley of colors along the rubber outsole. Prices start at 200 squids. Here we've got the Yeezy Boost 700 Magnet, which were released on the 2nd of August 2020 on Yeezy Supply, and they were a US exclusive. Now, this is one of the rarest Yeezy 700 colorways, which leads to many sneakerheads dubbing them the Wave Runner 2.0s. Now, if luxury is your thing, then you're probably gonna love these because it features a buttery, smooth, soft suede with ultra luxe leather and loads of mesh so your toes don't get all hot and clammy. It's a chunky foam ting with a Boost midsole, and unlike the Wave Runner, it's got a gum outsole to finish it all off. Prices start at £300. So now we got the Asics Gel Light 3 Ronnie Fieg Yoshino Rose, which is part of the Tokyo Trio pack, where all 3 silhouettes pay homage to Tokyo in one way or another. Now, it's a collaborative effort with Kith frontman Ronnie Fieg, and it was released on the 27th of July 2020. So it's a suede vibe with pink and white throughout, drawing inspiration from Tokyo's eye-catching cherry blossom trees. It features the signature split tongue, a color-blocked outsole, and prices start from £180. Moving on to the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Synth, which were released in Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and Australia on the 23rd of May 2019. Now, the colorway is a subdued tonal vibe with pinky hues and a natural midsole. Now, on the upper, you get the classic 350 prime knit, you get a see-through stripe and a pair of reflective laces. And of course, you get the Boost sole, providing you with that extra comfort whilst you're running these streets. Prices start at £180. Right, so these are our top 5 selections of regional exclusives available at StockX right now. Let us know in the comments which one's your fave.
Rolling.
I have to do it when I get off the bike. It's a good one for the glutes, man.
Imagine you in the middle of the road.
No, I'm bike at home. I'm not just like... Good to see you.
Hey.